on that two-step pattern long counter trend trade. As you can see, guys, now we're after 10:30, and this is, of course, our first loss here. You're going to start seeing now, right? We start giving back a little bit more of this money here. We made some money here in the gold, our second to last trade here. Short-term trend being down, right? Short-term trend being down. We're going to break through this support level here. This red line, guys, a support, 73.9, 74 even. We break it, of course, make up our swing low here, right? Our swing low here, of course. Once we break below that swing low, that's going to be our two-step, that's going to be our breaker pattern short. So we break below a swing low, right? Come back down, break below that swing low. 1042 on the gold, breaker short, 73.7. We got our +4 target filled, stop to entry -1. We got filled at +2, of course. You can see, guys, lucky bounce there on that stop. So first target +4, stop to entry -1 to lock in a little more profit there. We got filled up at -2, which of course is your 12 ticks or 120 USD. So a breaker pattern short going with the trend here, guys, at 1042. Now at this point, we of course knew we were starting to see a little bit choppy price action here. We started seeing flatter trigger lines. This is when Obama began to speak on TV. We had the budget meetings in front of Congress today. So things started really slowing down here. Final trade here, guys, on the gold. And this is where we decided to call it quits. We had seen things really slow down. Short-term trend was down here. As you can see, we break below the 76 even level. We mark up our swing low. Now, this one was a little bit of an impulse trade. Not really the best trade possible. You can see, guys, it was in the chop zone. We had the previous high of day was only 6 ticks away from us. Probably could have done without this trade, but nonetheless, though, guys, 10 minutes past the hour of 11 o'clock on gold, a breaker pattern short, 74.9. We, of course, once again, guys, got kind of hung up here where we saw the price action just kind of sit there for a while. And when we see price action sit there, right, this candlestick right there, as you can see, if we would have stuck with this trade, we probably would have made some money, but it would have given us some pretty good heat up here. Not sure how far against us this would have gone. But guys, we have to make decisions based on what we have available at that time. And at that time, we saw a momentum curl against us, red pace of a tape. We already saw things slowing down, so we were not going to sit around, guys. We got out, stopped out at -2, which of course times 4 ticks is 4 counters is -8 ticks, or -80 USD. So as you can see, we took our 2 losses towards the end of the morning here, and at this time, guys, we had to kind of say, all right, that's enough for me today. We given back a little bit of money. Total up, guys, 63 ticks in the day, guys, 630 USD on 10 trades. A challenging day, one of those mornings where we had to kind of get out of that market early, get our money early, and get out early. Let's prep for tomorrow, Wednesday, February 10th, 2010. Now, guys, tomorrow is kind of an iffy day because we got Ben Bernanke speaking at 10 o'clock. We have crude inventories, which may or may not be postponed at 10:30 tomorrow morning, and we've got 8:30 trade balance. So come in tomorrow, we'll update our news. They got a bunch of snowstorms in Washington, D.C., so that's why Ben Bernanke is tomorrow. He was supposed to be today, and 10:30 crude may be postponed until Thursday, but we'll keep you guys posted on that. And don't forget, guys, our room opens up tomorrow morning, 7:45 Eastern Time. Grab a copy of the beginner's course on your way in. Webinars on Thursdays, right? Tuesdays and Thursdays. Next webinar is on Thursday. If you want more information, guys, drop us an email, salesSchoolOfTrade.com. Hope the video helps. 63 ticks again today in the room, guys. Wonderful day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.